Something's the ball. Charlie, Stonebwoy, you know how me and you did. Yeah, I dey expect that this thing where you people plan, no? Like you go link me and tell me, say this is what I want. I don't expect Bandana to be the one that link me to tell me about it. Yeah, so I still dey wait for your call. Yeah, you know, be any giddy. Yeah, I still dey wait for your call, because if you hear this from them, where you accept to do it with them, no problem, because I know you get them and I know say you go fit deal with it. But if it be you no go understand, because the truth always has to be the truth. How did it end up that all of a sudden it's beef and it has to be a clash and it has to be between you and Shatta Wale? It is a mismatch.
Let me tell you something. There is a reward for loyalty, and me are the most loyal youth in the party. Me give man them credit when them not even need one. Yes, so I tell you, father, you see me see a man sounding, he's just contradicting a whole heap of thing when you listen to that side. And I talk about one part where me take out is when I talk about, he don't even know what I go on to come talk about me suppose to be behind him back again, back at it. When conversations come in, you don't even know how the conversation start up. You don't even know how it start up, because I just show anything where Samini say about the part we talk about loyalty is what confuses me. Because me is a man with different thing and get into troubles and get into things, and he never come up and say, yeah, yo, yes, I hate that. Yes, I like how you deal with the thing there. So, oh no, all of a sudden, when he come and talk about all of a sudden, it's a beef. He's just realizing now that there's been a beef between me and Shatta. He's just realizing now, after freaking 10 years. On a bus. So I went a bounce and a bus on stage and rivalry and fight, and they go sales and Shatta go sales, and him never really did look on it like a man, a different thing. Wow, what a shocking.
Bandana! The fact that over school, you know, bandana! Well, Shatta, Samini sounds like he's very upset with you, man.
Yo, Samini upset with me. We can't believe that, you know, cause long time, way back, Shani, we did our fast for Samini to come clash with me. Like, me I tell whole heap of people, radio presenters, you know, tell them, say, yo, tell Samini me want clash with the item, cause, you know, a business thing, you know, not a personal thing. Samini would just say, no, me can't clash with Shatta, because, you know, Shatta move with the street and Shatta, blah, blah, Shatta, rare. Now that, you know, me dip on my level, you know, the man, they want clash me.
You say you're clean.
Hey, man. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't feel, you know, link up to Stonebwoy and just, you know, talk about this kind of. Me not have any family issues with them, because them have them family issues. Them have to deal with it. You know? Me not have anything to say.
Bandana. What you have to say? What you have to say, man? What you have to say, son?
Yeah, you know, but it's a good look, you know. I mean, it's.
On the now, let me talk. On the now, let me talk. On the now, go on with it.